It's important to do a thorough pre-trip inspection before your drive. However, we also recommend doing an additional pre-trip inspection before entering Colorado's mountain corridors. Our steep grades can be an even bigger challenge on your truck than other roadways around the country.
Make sure your pre-trip inspection includes: number 1, check brake lines, brake pads, and/or drums. With the pads, make sure you're checking for proper thickness, there are no cracks or fractures, and no oil contamination. You see disc brakes on a lot of newer trucks, but older trucks may have drum brakes. Also, check your brake canisters. Number 2, check tire pressure, tread depth, and wheel seals to make sure they aren't leaking. Number 3, check the fluids and belts. For example, check window washer fluid, oil level, coolant level, brake fluid, and transmission fluids. Most trucks have air brake systems, so you won't have to worry about the brake fluid. These pre-trip steps play a major role in recognizing potential problems, especially detecting brake issues.